Very warm greetings from Kuwait. This is Prince Gold and it's the first time I'm doing a presentation on a video. Thank you very much for your time and watching. I am very proud to present to you Venture Tycoons. Now Venture Tycoons is the first ever real estate network marketing company that has established in Kuwait October 2016. The principal owners of Venture Tycoons are Mr. Abdullah Jamil Al-Dosiri, Mr. Badr Zada and Mr. Ayad Al-Kayali. Now the best thing is, which I'm more happy about, is the first ever real estate Kuwaiti company. Now Kuwait is a very oil-rich Arab country. It's in the GCC region. Number two, it is a tax-free country. Whatever income you earn in Kuwait, it's totally tax-free. Third, the business plan, the compensation that's been offered in the business plan is totally in Kuwaiti dinars. Now what's the best thing about Kuwaiti dinars? The Kuwaiti dinar is the most, let's say, how do we define it in English? Is the Kuwaiti dinar is the most strongest currency in the world. If you go to any currency website like xe.com or any currency website, Kuwaiti dinar is strongest against the euro and it is strongest against the US dollars. Now if you analyze a lot of lot of multi-level marketing companies or network marketing companies are now selling a saturated product. Saturated product, what do I mean? They're selling health supplements, diet plans, some cheap gadgets, overly exaggerated prices gadgets, XYZ, and it's really losing the flavor, and people are really not comfortable doing network marketing much how they used to do in the past days when MLM, the concept of MLM was totally new. Now the three gentlemen from Venture Tycoons, the principal owners, they have a combined experience of almost 30 to 40 years in network marketing. And after being network marketers with a lot of reputed companies in Kuwait, outside Kuwait, what they did is they took all the weaknesses of all the companies they worked with before and they established their own company. Now, and on the other hand, we have Alpha Capital Real Estate Company. Now Alpha Capital Real Estate Company is a real estate development company. It is an open shareholding company. At the same time, it is a Kuwaiti company as well. Now Alpha Capital is owned by three gentlemen, Mr. Saud Al-Awadi, Ahmed Al-Qaoud, and Mr. Majdi Al-Fanous, who is also the current CEO of the company. Now here's the cool part. First part of the presentation, is only introduction to both the companies. Second part is going to be the money making part, where I'm going to discuss a money making strategy that can help you start your own real estate company. Now keep in mind that if you want to start a business today, it's going to cost you a lot of money. You need capital, you need a physical location, you need your own recruitment team, and there's a marketing advertising budget. You have to invest in real research and development, and there are monthly expenses. This is going to cost you approximately around the world. If you want to do business either in US, Kuwait, Pakistan or China, you need at least $50,000. And even if you have $50,000 today in your hand, it is really difficult for you to start a business with confidence. Alright? And Venture Tycoons has made this possible for you. With a very small amount, with a very small capital, you can start a business that is worth multi-million dollars, and which we'll be discussing in the later part of the video. Let's get the board erasing. Now Alpha, I want to introduce you to Alpha Capital. What's so special about them? Alpha Capital was established in March 2016. Alpha Capital, they bought a real estate portfolio in Sweden. The real estate portfolio exists in the cities of Gothenburg, and Malmo. The real estate portfolio consists of three key things. First of them is corporate warehouses. The second part of the portfolio are offices, commercial offices, and the third part of the portfolio is the real estate rental apartments. Now the cost of this whole portfolio is 3 million Kuwaiti dinars. I repeat it, it's 3 million Kuwaiti dinars. Alpha Capital paid 10% of the capital and have purchased the whole real estate portfolio. Now you have to understand one thing which is very important. The real estate has been already developed. It's an established and developed running real estate portfolio. They're not building it, and they did not build it. It's completely developed and it's producing an income. Now what is the product that we have here? The product that we have here is, now if you want to start a real estate, if you want to buy shares, if you want to buy a real estate anywhere in the world, it will cost you at least $50,000 or $100,000 to start with investing in real estate, and you are going to get only 5% estimated income, and it comes with a lot of headaches, managing the tenants, managing the clients, maintenance. If the tenant left, what are you going to do? So what Alpha Capital does is it allows people to invest only minimum 600 KD. If you invest 600 KD, you will get guaranteed returns of 10% every year. Guaranteed return. And what's the best part? 10% per year. And this 10% is the rental income that will be paid quarterly. So quarterly, it's like 2.5% will be paid every quarter. Okay, I hope this part is clear. If it's not, you can leave a comment in my YouTube video, or you can contact me by WhatsApp, or you can go back to the part where I started explaining from and see it again. Alright, so 2.5% per quarter is a rental income that will be paid to the owner of the investment portfolio. Now here is another thing that you need to know. Like I said, if you want to begin real estate portfolio investing, usually you need $50,000 of capital, and it pays 5% a year. Here you can start with only 600 KD, and you can get a guaranteed return of 10%. This is very important. This is a very important point to be noted. And you're being paid in Kuwaiti dinars. It's very important. That's why I'm emphasizing, stressing a lot. Kuwaiti dinar, it's very strong. Now here's the thing. You can participate in the business plan, or you can participate in the investment product. Now if you purchase the share of 600 KD, you're gonna be paid after 3 years. You can withdraw your money back. So you have a bond of 3 years. So year 1 you get 10%, which is 60 KD. So year 2 you get again 10%, which is equal to 60 KD again. Year 3 you get 10% again, you get 60 KD return. This is the minimum capital we are talking about, 600. You can go, if you want to invest more, you have to do it in the multiples of 600, which is 600, 1200, 1800, and 2400. After year 3, you have the whole right to take your capital back, whatever you've invested. Now if you continue until the year 5, year 4 you get 10%, year 5 you get 10%, but the end of year 5 you will be returned your capital back, plus you're gonna get on top of this additional 15% to 20%. This is variable. I hope that's clear. Again, if it's not clear, please leave a comment, or you can contact me personally, or you can go back in the video where I start explaining the year 5 part. So in year 5 you get 10% plus the capital original principal will be returned back to you. Additional, you're gonna get exit liquidation money, which is 15% to 20%, because the real estate portfolio has gained value over time. Now why did we choose Sweden? First of all, Sweden is the most economically stable country. That's point number 1. Point 2, Sweden is allowing about 100,000 people immigrating to Sweden annually, which is increasing demand in the real estate assets. And there are many other valid reasons, and you can research on our website. Okay, so this is the product information that is being offered by Alpha Capital. I'm going to erase this and we're going to start talking about Venture Tycoons. Gothenburg and Malmo. We don't need this anymore. Now, Venture Tycoons, they made a joint contract with Alpha Capital. And what's their contract? That they are going to be marketing, they're going to be, first of all, joint partners, and they're going to be marketing the Swedish real estate portfolio for Alpha Capital by implementing a unique network marketing binary compensation plan. Alright? Now, the company Venture Tycoons itself established in October 2016, and Alpha Capital was established in March 2016. I forgot to mention in the previous video, Mr. Saud Al-Awadi, Ahmed Al-Qaoud, and Mr. Majdi Al-Fanous, they have almost also a combined experience of 30 years in real estate portfolio management. After having a career in financial sector, they decided to establish their own company, which happened during this year, in early month of March. Now, Venture Tycoons, they have a compensation plan that will help people generate an income. Okay, there's a package. The first package is called Officer. The Officer package costs 150 Kuwaiti dinars. Alright? And the second package, the second business package is called Venture Officer package, and it costs 750 Kuwaiti dinar. What is this 750 KD? Actually, it's 150 KD to be an authorized real estate marketer, plus 600 KD, which is the cost of an investment product, which is a part of real estate portfolio. Okay, now how the money making compensation plan works, that's the next part I'm going to talk about. I hope the video is clear. I'm trying my best to explain this to you. Again, I want to repeat it again. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. And the next video will be talking about how to make money with Venture Tycoons business plan. Thank you for watching. This is Prince Gold. Bye bye for now.